Alright guys, welcome back to Osmosis FX. Do like, subscribe and drop your comments, and also turn on your notifications so you can easily get updates as I drop new videos. Alright, let's go into GU for this week. What are our expectation for GU for this week 2 of February? As week 1, I really didn't drop much on GU because I did drop on DXY, and I expected that you already know what I'll be looking at on EU and GU. So they are more of the same pair, EU and GU. Why? Because they are against USD. So if I'm talking about GU, it's also applicable to EU. Whatever bias I'm looking for on EU, I'll also be looking for that same bias on GU also. So let's look into GU and see what we have for GU. So GU actually is in a supply zone, which is price had a rally base here. Price had a rally base. This was the change of character here. This was where price changed its character to go bullish. Rally base, rally, price came back into it, and we have a push. Also we have a base here also. We have a base which is unmitigated here. We have the unmitigated base here, and we have a rally. So this choke is probably supposed to be here, but I just, because of the higher time frame view, so everything here is liquidity. Everything on this low is liquidity for this extreme OB. Okay, so we have rally base, rally, rally drop, rally drop, base drop, rally. So we have this zone here, this zone here to be our drop base drop. So this drop base drop, these are base. This is the last man here on this base here. This is the last man before price shoot up and took out this high. So we expect a retracement back into this high, into this OB drop base rally to this OB. Meanwhile, we have a rally drop rally. So the base here, price is supposed to mitigate it, but on a norm, this zone is a liquidity zone because it is ahead of a demand zone, which is acting as an inducement to that demand. So early buyers will be taken out here as price breaks to this side, which is a confirmation of a continuation to the upside, but probably not the best zone to buy from. So we have this break of structure to the upside also, and we have this minor break also, which is also here. After all, we are approaching a supply zone, but price didn't get inside the supply, so I believe price will come back into this supply. So price didn't really touch inside, it came a little close and some few pips, and prices start to drop. Take out the first demand, which reacted and took it out. So that reaction is where there is always a flip zone. We call it a flip zone. So here is also a flip. So in this flip zone, we expect price to come back. Now when price got to this drop base rally, when price got here, price reacted and started buying with what we have, the first bullish. So we have drop, base, drop. These are all the base, and inside this base we have this first rally, base, rally, and it gets into the flip zone. So this base is a possible push for price to go higher. So in this flip zone, I'm expecting price to drop, take out this liquidity that seems to be in front of this as inducement to this rally base, rally OB, which is a demand zone. So I expect this to be an inducement. Price should come take this out, and we should see a reaction in this zone to buy price to take out this buy side liquidity. We could call it a buy side. What am I doing? So this is my buy side. Okay, so this is just my simple expectation for GU. So I still have one unmitigated demand here, and yeah, I have this one already, this one, and this guy here. So this guy here is the flip zone because it failed to buy. Is also an inducement to this one also, but they all turned out to be liquidity. So this is the first failed demand that flipped into a supply. It took out this other demand and touched down to this demand. So it was really funded to break through this two demand and tap into this demand zone. So when price rolled over back to its price, see how many weeks, 1, 2, 3, price was consolidating because there needs to be a shift from this buy side to the sell side. So it took a little while for price to switch from demand, and now we have a very good closure week of this candlestick. So what am I expecting this week? I'm expecting this week to be taken out. This is the last, okay, this is the week low, and this, sorry, week high. So I'm expecting it to be taken out. So I have this at the top, yeah, these at the bottom, okay, these are the bottom. So I'm expecting price to break and take out this liquidity here, this man here. This is a sell side, okay, sell side, this is a sell side, yeah, that needs to be taken out. Old low needs to be taken out. So my expectation for this week is to see price. Let's now go down because I have plenty rollings down here. So in here we have this break of structure, and what do we have here? We have a lower time frame demand here. We have a drop, base, drop, base, drop. So in here we have a demand here. This is the base before we have price rally to the upside. This is the base. So the last man here is this man here. Okay, so I'll probably put it at the bottom of all this because price entered here, this entered here, this entered here until we have. So this is my drop, base, drop, rally. This is where price rallied. Okay, so everything here is liquidity to be taken, and price should come here before we see any reaction of a buy side. Okay, so inside this we have a drop, base, drop, rally, which take out this high. So the rally, base, drop. So if I should use this, I'll probably not get in touch with anybody. You can see that, which is not bad. This is supposed to be where my base is, okay, but price didn't get closer to it. So when looking at the full candle, you can see that price really got into it, took out this, sorry about that, took out this high, okay, price took out this high, then took out this low. This is not a relevant time frame. So what do we have? Drop, base, drop. So we have this base taking or price didn't close. So this is more or less like an OB. Price spring up, drop, came back, didn't take out this high, and we have a final drop. So we are heading for this BOS first. Okay. We are heading for the US, and we are coming here. So my expectation for this week is I should take out this here, and I should take out this liquidity here also. So 64, 65. Okay. Then the two. So I'm high in these two lows for this week on GU. I'm high in this first low and I'm high in this second low on GU. So these are my expectation on GU. So I'll look for more sales setups. So on a lower time frame, why am I yawning? Kind of tired though. Been a stressful day. On a lower time frame, I'm looking for sales setups. So you should be able to find your sales setups on a lower time frame. Okay, you should be able to do that. So we have this tested twice, and until this get broken before we can find a retracement down to go, which is I want this to be broken. If price should do this before this, then we are taking it out massively. If we get a very strong pullback, probably to the middle, then note that this guy, it will rush into this guy and take it out. So you have to be observant on GU, and that's what I have for this week. We have a fair value gap here that was taken, which changed the character of the market. First, price came back to the drop base rally. This rally that entered into the fair value gap, that's what I'm interested, because it was one that gave us drop base, drop base, drop base, drop base, drop base, drop. Okay, so the first person here, the origin, all these other ones are liquidity and inducement before it. So price came back into it. We have a drop, couldn't take out this low and came back again to gain more power. We have a full dose. So what do I expect here? I expect price to continue the sell setup and take this out. Note, Mondays always hack like that, but because of Powell's news, I'll probably not trade on Monday. I'll probably close my trade before 1 and just see what Powell, because Powell might be crazy though. Yeah, sometimes. Alright, that's that on GU. You guys know how it is. Like, subscribe, drop your comments as I will get back to you. Love you guys. It's such an amazing week we're having, and I believe you guys are going to have your amazing profits. See you guys.